1, 2, 3. Whoa. I went on 3, right? You did. Yeah. Okay. I lost the phone. Welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day for me. I get to ride in a Tesla Model Plaid. Model S Plaid. This is the S, right? I don't even know. Tesla Model S Plaid. Over 1,000 horsepower, and we are going to be up against this 765LT. Yeah. And I can't decide who's gonna win. I mean, I think there's YouTube videos already out there, but the difference between the other YouTube videos and this one is that we have 3 guys in Tesla Plaid up against 1 guy in the 765LT. Is that gonna make a difference? First person view of the Mclaren 765LT. First person view of the Plaid Model S. Just gotta confirm. And then these wheels are pretty cool. Side cameras, rear camera, cameras everywhere. I mean, obviously to be a self-driving car you need visuals, machine learning. Took that up at MIT. Go figure. I'm a smart guy, kinda. Look at the way that lowers for the launch. It freaking lowers the front. Oh my gosh! Lowers the front. That thing is ready for launch. And the back raises too. The back raises up. When you open the door, it goes back up. It is ready to go. That is one cool feature, man.
You see that, boss? Hey, tell me when you're ready. Hold on. Then you count it down. Okay. It says preparing for launch, suspension. Okay, whenever he's ready.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Okay, I went on 3, right?
You did. He wasn't ready.
I was stuck to the seat.
Yeah. Tell me when you're ready. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, whenever you go.
Oh my gosh. That was perfect. That's the way to do it. Go whenever you hear the wheels screech.
No, when I heard the induction.
Or whatever. No, you left whenever I heard the wheels screech.
I heard the induction.
You know, you're delayed.
No.
It's like you have some bad cell reception up in that head of yours. Wow. Dude, that moonroof.
I know.
That is freaking amazing.
Regenerative.
How much does this cost?
I have no idea.
140 something.
150, 140.
There we go. 150. Tesla Plaid. I don't even know how much power it's pushing. What they say, like 1,000?
1,022 or something.
1,000 horsepower.
Oh shit!
He didn't even go, and I'm already throwing in my seat. Yeah.
I feel like I'm driving a video game.
I was about to ask, how do you feel driving with that steering wheel?
Remember that Spy Hunter game?
Yeah.
That's exactly what it
Is that how it feels? Love that.
I need the theme right now. Peter Gunn.
Oh my god. This is the personality I need on the YouTube channel right
No,
here.
you don't.
Yeah, you're on real world. Yeah, I need
Oh, I was too old. You need Okay, dick hands. Hey, everybody. He took a pee and didn't wash his
I
hands.
didn't wash my hands.
And he shook my hand.
I did not shake his hand.
Yes, he
I
did.
was,
He's
I
like,
was
"Come here, big
respectful.
And the guy in back is seeing. No, never mind. We won't call him.
You know, there was no restroom available. Sometimes
Yeah.
you got to go in the wild.
Yeah.
In the wild, rich neighborhood of
Yeah.
our good friend who is letting us test out his cars. We'll keep his name nameless for this video.
He who has
But-
no name.
Exactly. He who has no name, but some cool cars. Some fast ones. Apparently these aren't the fastest. Apparently
No.
he's got one car with what, 2,000 horsepower?
Yeah,
More than that.
Yeah.
More than that?
2,400.
What? That's ridiculous. How do you keep that to the ground is what I want to know.
We used to hang out the car
Yeah.
and talk shit.
Uh-huh.
So like when you were racing, you would, you know, if you were beating somebody, you're like, are you on it? Are you on it? In the passenger seat? Did you go? That kind of stuff would happen.
Yeah,
Especially
exactly.
with tag, and then tag used to get
Because whenever you win, you want to really know
wanna-
if you won. Did you
Yeah.
really hit it or not? Did you go? Did you smash the
And then
pedal? Charging. Oh, he tells you how much you spend on charging.
That's
charging.
depressing.
Oh, shit!
Oh, I hit
He went so fast he hit the windshield wiper.
You didn't get that, did you?
No, I didn't.
Well, there's shit on the window.
Oh, I think it's awesome.
I was just getting a bug off the window, that's all.
Oh my!
That point. And we're closing it.
So we were commenting about the ride of the Tesla Plaid. I think from a passenger standpoint, it feels comfortable. Comfortable enough for definitely a daily. But Bob over here thinks BMW might be better. Is that what you said?
Yeah, I think they're more communicative.
More communicative.
Of course, my opinion is what matters.
Yeah, it's obviously. It's the best, definitely the best opinion.
It's the only one that matters.
Well, there's a BMW owner behind us.
Yeah.
What do you think, Ron?
I'm 100% sure the BMW is better. Until I get to drive
I feel like
this
it's
car.
quicker too.
This is too fun.
Ready?
He wants more space, man. He jumped and he got it.
Yeah.
You ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
163.
Holy smokes. That was a good race right there. All right, run one went really well. Nice and spot on with the timing.
Because I was drunk.
And Plaid took the W on that. Here's the straight right here.
Tell me when. How loud?
1, 2, 3. You jumped and I took it. Alright, brakes. Hard left. Hard left. Hard left.
I got it. Don't worry.
Side seat driver! I got it! He jumped and he got it.
Yeah.
If you jump in a 765LT,
You'll
you
be-
get it. I forgot to do a review. We got the wood grain and the leather.
Video would have been the funniest video.
Here we go again.
Oh, if I held the whole thing?
Yeah, we
Oh,
should
man.
have recorded the whole thing.
If I would have recorded the whole thing, I would have gotten banned from YouTube for all the nonsense we were doing. Whether or not it was safe, whether or not
It was safe.
it was PC,
I was driving and it was obviously safe.
whether or not it was causing people to get sick in the passenger seat. As you can hear the guy behind us say, Jesus, smoking. Hey. Oh. And he just passed the cow.
Did I?
No. I gotta admit, I'm not a fan of the materials in here. There's wood grain here.
Yeah.
There's like some freaking, I don't know.
Denim.
What, this is denim, feels like.
Denim.
Is it denim?
Alcantara over here. No, look, check it out.
No,
It was
this is
whatever was
Alcantara, right?
Yeah, but look
whatever
right
was
here.
left in the remnants bin.
This looks like freaking denim. It feels rough like
the
denim.
floor, no.
And then you got carpet down here. I mean, how many materials are you going to use in the Tesla Plaid, Elon? Here's how you move the air up and down.
That is?
Yeah.
That's awesome. That was good. Go back to my face. Yeah, there you go.
I'm going to blow it at my...
Not the Viper we needed.
That is wicked cool. We were wondering how to change the vents.
Are you focusing?
No, I'm sick again.
Okay, we're going to film it.
If anything, if this doesn't get views, I don't know what will.
Racing it's life. Anything that happened before or after, just waiting.